Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense confirmed a significant escalation in its artillery upgrade program. In a major shift from previous plans, Taiwan has authorized the purchase of 168 M109A7 155mm tracked self-propelled howitzers from the United States, quadrupling its original acquisition target of just 40 units. This decisive move aims to fully replace the outdated artillery systems currently in use by the Republic of China Army. The procurement package also includes a number of M992A3 ammunition resupply vehicles, which utilize the same modernized chassis as the M109A7. This shared platform architecture is expected to streamline logistics and enhance the efficiency of Taiwan's artillery operations across all terrain types. At an estimated cost of 90 billion new Taiwan dollars, approximately $2.75 billion, this marks one of the largest single defense procurements in Taiwan's recent history. The M109A7, part of the U.S. Army's Paladin Integrated Management (PIM) project, brings a suite of critical enhancements, a newly designed chassis based on the Bradley fighting vehicle, a powerful new engine system, and sophisticated digital fire control and crew protection systems. These advancements are expected to dramatically boost mobility, firepower, and battlefield survivability in a high-threat environment. Currently, Taiwan's artillery forces operate nearly 500 tracked howitzers, most of which are relics of Cold War-era production. This includes 105mm M108S, 155mm M109A2/A5S, M44TS, Chinese-built T-69s, and heavy 203mm M110A2S. With many of these aging systems no longer supported by manufacturers or compatible with modern command and control systems, the transition to M109A7S is considered both a technological leap and an urgent defense requirement. Beyond artillery, Washington has approved a series of key military transfers to Taipei aimed at reinforcing Taiwan's multi-layer defense strategy. These include 108 M1A2T Abrams tanks, customized for Taiwan, and high-mobility artillery rocket systems, HIMARS, which will enable rapid, long-range precision strikes using munitions like the GMLRS and ATACMS. Additional U.S.-approved military sales feature advanced weaponry such as the AGM-154C Joint Standoff Weapon, FIM-92 Stinger Man-Portable Air Defense Systems, MANPADS, and Mk-48 Mod 6 heavyweight torpedoes. However, Taiwan's request for M982 Excalibur GPS-guided artillery shells remains under review, despite their high compatibility with the incoming M109A7 platforms. The M109A7 itself represents the latest in U.S. artillery technology. While retaining the proven 155mm cannon from earlier Paladin models, the A7 introduces a robust new chassis and power system, along with advanced digital targeting, electric gun drives, and an automated ramming system. Capable of engaging targets at over 30 km with standard rounds, and exceeding 40 km with rocket-assisted munitions, the M109A7 is built for fast repositioning, sustained firepower, and increased survivability under enemy counter-battery radar. Taiwan's growing military cooperation with the U.S. comes in response to escalating threats from China. Beijing has ramped up its military activities around Taiwan, conducting regular air incursions, naval maneuvers, and so-called gray zone pressure campaigns. In this tense climate, arms sales under the Taiwan Relations Act and bolstered by the 2022 Taiwan Enhanced Resilience Act form a crucial part of Washington's deterrence strategy in the Indo-Pacific. The addition of the Abrams tanks and HIMARS rocket systems gives Taiwan not only more striking power but also greater operational flexibility. These systems will be pivotal in scenarios such as coastal defense against amphibious assaults or neutralizing key enemy positions from standoff distances. This reflects a broader shift in Taiwanese defense doctrine toward asymmetric warfare, prioritizing speed, accuracy, and survivability over brute numerical strength. U.S. assistance goes beyond hardware. It also includes strengthening Taiwan's cyber defenses, modernizing its command and control systems, and expanding joint military training to ensure seamless interoperability. These efforts underscore the view from Washington that Taiwan is a vital partner in safeguarding the Indo-Pacific region's balance of power. In short, The large-scale introduction of M109A7 Howitzers and other advanced systems signals a deepening U.S.-Taiwan security partnership, and a firm resolve to deter aggression by preparing Taiwan's armed forces for modern, networked warfare.